Hi everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to this channel's first ever video that is going to be longer than 2 minutes. This is going to be so strange to edit. Now, my videos are short for a reason. Being a writer, I understand that the last thing writers want to be doing is sitting around watching YouTube. You know, writers want to be writing. So my goal in my videos is to give the information as fast as I can and then let you get back to it. But some of you have been asking for the occasional longer video, and in fairness, some topics are difficult to cover in just 2 minutes. So starting today, I'm going to be doing one longer video each month to start with. Some of them will be deeper dives into complex topics, and if you have any topics that you would like to see covered in these, please let me know in the comments or send me a message through my Facebook page. I will leave a link to that down below. But for today, I thought I would do something fun and start with an unboxing. A few days ago, I got this in the mail. It's about the size of a shoebox. And what it is a Scribbler box. Now, this is a subscription box that is designed for writers. So I am super excited about this. This is right up my alley. This is just the kind of thing that I love. Now, before I ordered the subscription box, I got in touch with Scribbler to ask them what their position is on diversity in literature and whether they are taking any intentional steps to make sure there is broad representation in the products that they promote. They got back to me within a day and they said that yes, they value diversity very, very much, and they have been taking steps to make sure that books and the products they choose are representative of a wide spectrum of writers and characters and, and books. These are the kinds of companies that I want to support. Diversity is extremely important to me. So I'm excited to get into this and see what we've got in this box. Now, I've never ordered a subscription box before, but it's actually kind of fun because it's like, usually when you buy yourself a present and then you have someone wrap it for you and give it to you for Christmas or whatever, you know what's inside and it kind of takes away a little bit of the excitement. But this subscription box, I have no idea what's in it. I paid for it myself. This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid for this myself, but I have no idea what's in it. So I still get that element of surprise. I think that's kind of cool. So let's see what we got here. Oh, helps if it's not upside down. So that is the top of the box. It's actually really nice. I like this box. I'm going to keep this box. Let's see what we got. So first we have this card. Okay, so it says on the back here, I'll read the blurb that's on the back. It says, Scribbler Writing Contest. Write the opening to a story that immediately hooks us. We'll select one winner to receive a bonus gift. I've got to post a picture of this on my social media. I could be in the running for a bonus gift, so maybe I'll do that. We have all of this funky confetti, which I'm going to put directly in my bin. Then I have, a light bulb, writer's block relief. And this is a stress ball. This is actually really good, especially if you like to handwrite your material. Your hands get, when you're holding a pen for a long period of time, your hands do get kind of cramped. So if you need to just take a break and loosen those muscles, this is a great way to do it. This is good if you're typing as well, but especially if you're handwriting for a long period of time. So this is definitely worthwhile. I like this. Plus, it's writer's block relief. So if you have writer's block, one of the best things you can do, take a break. Take a break, squeeze your stress ball. Then we have this sticker that says, eat, write, repeat. And then we have these, these are cute. These are sloth paper clips. Hopefully you can see them. They go like that, because I believe sloths hang upside down. So this is how you would look at them. And there are 8 of them in assorted colors. Those are cute. I like those. We have a book of some kind. Writers love their notebooks. Notebooks are fantastic. It doesn't matter if we already have 20 notebooks. You can never have too many notebooks. So anytime I get a new notebook, I love it. And this is a very nice one. It's got the constellations on it. Check it out. That's actually very nice. And it's just a plain lined blank notebook. So I am going to use that possibly for NaNoWriMo. This might become my NaNoWriMo planning book. I think that's what I'm going to do. That's going to be my NaNoWriMo book. Then we have something called a writing passport hook. On the back it says your story matters. And it absolutely does, no matter what your story is. Your story matters, no matter how long you've been writing for, whether you're a veteran at it, whether you're new at it, your story matters. You need to get your story out. Okay, so the introduction says, this month we're excited to explore writing hooks. That first sentence or first few sentences that pull the reader straight into a story. And that is key. The opening of your story is critical. If you don't have your reader by the end of the first page, probably by the end of the first paragraph, they're not going to bother with the rest of the book. It looks like this gives a few tips. What is a writing hook? It gives you the anatomy of a fish hook. That's interesting. So I guess I'm going to learn something about fish hooks. This is 24 pages long, including the author bio. This is something that'll take about 10 minutes to read, which is great. You know, it's kind of like my videos. It's short, it's sweet, it's to the point. You don't have to spend a lot of time muddling through information you don't really need. This is really great. So I'm hoping there'll be something similar to this in every one of these subscription boxes. This one says, look inside. So I'm gonna. So this is some information about the author, Lydia Kang, and some of the books she has written. So I will take a look at that. Oh, and over here it tells you what is in the box. Get your chat on. So this is, okay, meet our guest speaker. So I guess every month they have someone doing a live chat. So I guess Eric Myers was the guest speaker. I did miss this because I held on to this box for a few days before I opened it. Next time I will open this box straight away when I receive it. Then I will be able to make the most of this chat. That is, I guess, the autograph of the author. And then, finally, we have a book that I will add to my reading pile. It is called Opium and Absinthe by Lydia Kang, and I will read the blurb. Terrifying to behold, impossible to believe. New York City, 1899. Tilly Pembroke's sister lies dead, her body drained of blood and with 2 puncture wounds on her neck. Bram Stoker's new novel Dracula has just been published, and Tilly's imagination leaps to the impossible. The murderer is a vampire, but it can't be. Can it? A ravenous reader and researcher, Tilly has something of an addiction to truth, and she won't rest until she unravels the mystery of her sister's death. Unfortunately, Tilly is addicted to more than just truth. To ease the pain from a recent injury, she's taking more and more laudanum, and some in her immediate circle are happy to keep her well supplied. Tilly can't bring herself to believe vampires exist, but with the hysteria surrounding her sister's death, the continued vampiric slayings, and the opium swirling through her body, it's becoming increasingly difficult for a girl who relies on facts and figures to know what's real, or whether she can trust those closest to her. Now, this particular book looks very interesting to me because, as some of you may know, my areas of specialty in my writing are addiction and mental health. So this explores that subject. I am very interested in it, you know, not only as a reader, but in my professional capacity as someone who works in the mental health and addictions field. So I'm looking forward to reading this. I will let you guys know what it is like. So that was this month's subscription box. I am looking forward to receiving the next one. There's some good stuff in here. I will put a link to the Scribbler website in the description. They are a great company to deal with. They were very quick to respond to my queries. When they sent out this box, I got an email with a tracking number. Now, I am in Toronto, Canada. This box ships from Texas in the United States, and it probably took about 10 days to get to me, which is really not bad, you know, especially in the current COVID climate where everything's a little messed up. You know, who knows what's happening with the mail system in the United States. But that is this month's subscription box. Enjoy the rest of your day. Write. And I will see you tomorrow for a new week of writing tips. Bye.